Hello, this is Pavitra. In this video, I'm completing the Excel assessment as per the instructions provided. So let's begin. So first, I'm going to the sales worksheet. Now I will select the range D1 to D3. I'm clicking and dragging to highlight these three cells. So next I will cut the selector data. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus X, the shortcut key, or you can just right click and you see the cut option, right? So now I will go to the cell A1 and paste the values into the range A1 to A3. So I'm pressing Ctrl plus V to paste it. So the content has now moved from column D to column A. So next I will adjust the width of the column A. I'm moving my cursor to the right edge of the column A header and just double clicking to apply the auto-fit column width. So this automatically adjusts the column to fit the text. Yes. So now I will enter the required text. Okay, I'm just clicking the cell A3 and just typing May 25, 2029 and then I will press enter. Yes. So next I'm going to change the width of the column B. Yes. So I will right click on the column B header. You can see the column width option. Just click on that and then I'm typing 15. Yes, and just clicking OK. So column B is now resized to 15, right? So now I will scroll down to the row 15. Yes, here I will enter the values from table 1. So in the cell is here. Okay. So in the cell D15, I'm typing this number, this data. Yes, expenses. And in D16, I'm typing this. Okay. And then entered. In D17, I'm typing this value and then press entered. Right. So these values has been now entered, right? So next I will enter the email address. So I'm clicking on the cell E6, right? And typing Robin dot Merit, okay, at .com. Done. Yes. So now I will drag to select the entire range E6 to E11. S. So with the range selected, I'm going to the data tab S and you can find the flash fill option here. You just click on that. So Excel automatically fills the remaining email addresses. So finally, I will adjust the column E. So I'm just right clicking on the column E header and selecting the column width and typing 35 and then clicking OK. So this ensures all the email addresses are fully visible. Yes, right. So now I'm scrolling to the B18, cell number B18, S here. So here I'm typing the word total. Yes, this labels will help identify the result I'm about to calculate. S. Next I will calculate the total amount of the sales made by each sales agent. I'm clicking on the cell C18 So I will enter some formula. So I'm typing some parentheses. You can just select all those range and click enter. Yes. So this gives me the total sales amount for all the agents. And now I will copy this formula, just selecting the cell C18 and pressing Ctrl plus C. Then I clicking the cell D18 and pressing Ctrl plus V S to paste it. So this applies the same formula to the expenses column. S. So next I will calculate the average expenses. I'm scrolling down to the cell A22. Here is it? S. I'm typing average expenses. S. Now I will move to the cell C22. Yes, here C22, and I'm typing the formula equal to average S, and I'm selecting the range C6 to C17 and closing the parenthesis and then pressing enter. S. This gives the average expenses for the employees. S. So now I will count the number of sales agents. Yes, so I'm clicking the cell P20. Yes, here it is. So P20. I'm just typing this formula, count, and selecting the range A6 to A17. I'm just selecting, closing the parenthesis, and then pressing enter. Yes. So this tells how many agents the company employs, right? Yes. So next I will apply an outside border to make the summary stand out. So I'm selecting the range B20 to B22. Yes, here it is, B22, B22. Oh, oops, here, yes. And then I'm going to the home tab, clicking the borders, here it is, and choosing the outside border. Yes, this adds a clear border around the selected cells. Yes, you can see that now. Yes, now I will switch to the expenses worksheet. Yes. So Kayla wants the sheet to be easier to read. So first I will change the page orientation. I'm going to the page layout tab and clicking the orientation. So here it is, and selecting the landscape. Yes, it's working on it, I think. Yes, it's done. Okay. So next I will adjust the zoom level so the worksheet is easier to view. I'm going to the bottom right corner of the Excel. I'm changing the zoom level to 130 by just clicking this plus icon. Yes, we got it. Okay, now I will click on a cell A2. Here it is, A2, and update the text. I'm typing week of May 25, 2029. Yes, this updates the text to show the correct date. Yes. Next, I will format the column headings. So I'm selecting the range B5 to F5. Here it is, B5 to F5. Then I'm also selecting the cell A10 here. Okay. I will increase the font size. I'm going to the home tab and increasing the font size to 12. Yes, click enter. Done. So this makes the headings more prominent. Yes. So these steps are now completed successfully. I'll continue